Fasting, brothers and sisters in Islam, the month of Ramadan is a season for all of us to come back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But the only comeback is by defeating this nafs, is by bringing a change to yourself. Not temporarily, not change of habits. No, a terminal change, an everlasting one. That is why the scholars, they always mention signs of acceptance of your fasting, that assess yourself before Ramadan and after Ramadan. If you're still the same person, then good luck with that. Hope that Allah will accept it. But if some change occurred, I'm not saying that you're going to be an angel, there is no such a thing. But if there is some change there, that means you have improved.